Guys, this is Skittles Vodka. Time to taste the rainbow. So we pour out our Skittles, and then you need to sort these according to color, okay? Get someone to help you because it takes a little bit of time. Then you can use mason jars, small bottles, a cup, whatever you have. Put your Skittles inside there, and then you top that with vodka, okay? Nice, delicious vodka from the heavens, okay? That's what Zeus used to drink. Okay, once you've done that, you seal up your bottles or your containers and put them aside. You could shake it if you want to. You want to use a coffee filter to strain your vodka. Why you're straining is because Skittles has this white film that sits in there that you need to get rid of. You don't need to get rid of it, but it just will look better, okay? And then I put it back in the bottle. My nice, delicious yellow Skittles vodka. I don't know what flavor is that. What is that, lemon? Yes, my lemon Skittles. Pour myself a shot, okay? A nice, delicious shot. Chug that. Or you don't need to pour yourself a shot. You can mix it into a drink if you want to. Stay tipsy.